Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhishek Jha and I am honored to be your radiology educator at PrepLadder. As far as my passion for radiology is concerned, I was not really passionate about radiology during my undergraduate days. It was during my first year of residency that I started gaining passion in radiology. So those 3 years of residency at Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Aligarh made me what I am. Thereafter, I went to SGPGI Lucknow for 2-year senior residency where I got a grasp on interventional radiology. And finally, I was there as a consultant radiologist at Sar Gangaram Hospital before I started my own diagnostic setup. As far as my academic achievements are concerned, I hold a DNB degree. I have more than 20 publications in national and international journals. I've also had multiple oral presentations in conferences like RSNA and KCR. As far as my research opportunities are concerned, I've done a fair bit of research on hydatid disease, and this led to the discovery of a new sign which is called as scroll sign, which was published in Journal of Clinical Ultrasound. Together, we'll tackle the challenges of radiology with confidence so that you can really focus on what matters. I'm thrilled to start this journey with you.